The 3D printing software market is experiencing a remarkable transformation. Valued at $7.19 billion in 2023, it is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 15.68%, reaching an impressive $31.25 billion by 2033. This rapid expansion is fueled by its increasing adoption across diverse industries, including healthcare, aerospace, automotive, and fashion. The technology is revolutionizing how products are designed, prototyped, and manufactured, offering infinite possibilities for innovation and efficiency. North America is at the forefront of the 3D printing software market, thanks to its advanced infrastructure and widespread adoption across various sectors. Europe and the Asia-Pacific region are emerging as significant growth hubs. Countries like Germany, Japan, and China are making substantial investments in developing robust 3D printing ecosystems. These regions are poised to play a crucial role in the market's expansion, driving further advancements and adoption of this transformative technology. The market is buzzing with innovation from major players such as Autodesk Inc., Dassault Systems, Stratasys Limited, and 3D Systems Corporation. These companies are pioneering advancements in software capabilities, enabling enhanced precision and scalability for complex designs. Startups like Markforged and Carbon Inc. are also making waves with cutting-edge materials and cloud-based solutions. Their contributions are pushing the boundaries of what is possible, setting new standards for the industry. In healthcare, 3D printing software is enabling the creation of patient-specific implants, prosthetics, and even bioprinting for organ development. The aerospace industry benefits from lightweight, durable components that reduce manufacturing costs and environmental impact. Automotive and fashion sectors are also leveraging this technology to innovate and streamline production processes. The versatility of 3D printing software is opening new avenues for customization and efficiency across these diverse fields. Despite its potential, the 3D printing software market faces several challenges. High initial costs, concerns over intellectual property theft, and the need for skilled professionals are significant hurdles. However, these challenges also present opportunities for growth and innovation. One of the most exciting trends in the 3D printing software market is the rise of cloud-based solutions and artificial intelligence-powered tools. Government initiatives, such as Europe's Horizon 2020 and partnerships in the United States, are fostering innovation and encouraging adoption in small and medium enterprises. As the market evolves, it holds immense potential to disrupt traditional manufacturing, offering endless possibilities for sustainable future.